Bostic will hate Perry till the day he dies in the German suplex.
We could be down to 2.
Oh, Perry, the salute. The kick to the face. This could be Perry's moment. This could be Ace Perry's moment. Cutter! The cutter! Perry's got the cover. We need a referee. We need a referee. Here's Dave Dawson in the ring.
Oh.
Dave Dawson in the ring. Got him. Got him. Ace Perry's the champion.
Here is your winner and the new welterweight champion, Ace Perry.
Ace Perry's done it. Ace Perry has achieved his dream once again. The first welterweight champion is now the next welterweight champion. Ace Perry, he proved he could do it.
Well, in his final chance, too. Right? That was his final opportunity.
What's going on here? Ace Perry has done it, but
The party has started.
Chris Levin has the championship. Wait a second. Chris Levin saw, is he saying Bostic's foot was under the rope? We need an official clarification here. Well, there you see the replay right there, and look at the right foot of Bostic. It breaks the plane of the rope. Good call on our production truck to catch that. Bostic, but I mean, Bostic was out of it. That's not that Bostic did on purpose. That cutter.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have just been informed by the referee, Chris Levin, that during the pinfall, Dylan Bostic's foot was underneath the bottom rope. And as a result of this, senior official Chris Levin has ordered this match to be restarted.
This match continues. It's a judgment call, but he's the referee of record.
Ace Perry,
Oh, God, this continues.
Oh, look at the ring!
Bostic drops Perry. Bostic drops Perry.
He's got him!
Maggie D. Wait, Perry's foot was under the rope. Perry's foot was under the rope.
Here is your winner,
But Bostic caught it.
the new welterweight champion, Dylan Bostic.
But they didn't see it. But Perry's foot was under the rope as well, and Bostic caught it, pulled it back. Dylan Bostic is the welterweight champion. I can't believe it.
Are we witnessing history?
Oh, Ace Perry. Ace Perry's got to have the worst luck in the world.
This is gonna stand, right?
Chris Levin's the referee of record. His decision's final. He's the troubleshooting referee, and Levin missed a call, but it was the biggest call of the night. He got
Bostic is money!
He saw Bostic's foot under the rope, but not Perry's. And Bostic's the champion. The money weight just cashed in.
And now you have to rebrand. We call it Money Weight Wrestling.
Stop it.
Yeah! I love it.
Dylan Bostic successful, and you gotta feel for all these athletes who gave it everything from their heart and soul. Nate Wings is practically in tears. You see him in the background of your screen. He wore that championship so proudly for so long. Bostic.
Give it up for Swaggy D!
Gonna celebrate in style.
Yeah.
Dylan Bostic has the welterweight title and the welterweight landscape has changed once again.
Swaggy D, this is your company now.
Yeah, Bostic is the welterweight champion, but you got to feel for Ace Perry. Ace Perry had it. He thought he won it. He had that moment, and the moment got taken from his fingertips, from his clutches. getting heated here. Chris Levin did what he thought was right, but Perry obviously sees it another way.
I need to watch this again.
Levin called it to the letter of the law.
Oh!
Ace Perry, the last word. You gotta believe that Ace Perry, such conflicting emotion. Ace Perry thought he had it, but ladies and gentlemen, what was a rebirth of Ace Perry's dream just turned into one of the most demoralizing nights of his career. And I'm not condoning this. Ace Perry's temper is way over the line. Aaron McGuire, it's been an incredible night. Let's get out of this. Ace Perry obviously frustrated. Ace Perry thought he was champion, but Ace Perry's still on the hunt. Look out! Good night from Cleveland.